Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got to sell this monster. It's a Yamaha MT-10. What a beast these are. Fantastic sounding. We'll get to that in a second. Anyway, this one is a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's only done 1,410 miles. So what do you get from an MT-10? You get adjustable traction control, power modes. You've also got a quickshifter, cruise control as well. So you've got a load of bits and bobs. Really fabulous sounding engine, and I'll give it a quick tickle. And also LED headlights on these bad boys, so super bright, be seen in the day or night. Great one. And I'll give it full beam. Boom. Super bright. Anyway guys, just so you know, just in case the people have seen these before, they usually come with the fluoro wheels. This one was spec'd by the customer to have the black wheels, but it looks fantastic. Anyway guys, you've seen this. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.